Welcome to Make-It-Share-It. So most of us would be having this motor in our toys or DO motors. So we would have sometime broken the leads. So this is first method to repair the motor with brush. So first we will take out the motor from the gear parts, and you can see both of the leads are broken. So first we will take out all the things. You have to remove the belt to remove the motor. So you can see both the leads are broken. So first we have to remove the clamps. Just a little press would straighten the clamps, and you can remove the bottom part. So there are two brushes inside the bottom part of it. So just a simple press would take out the brushes. Take two wires, cut in the similar length. And with just a simple push of a scissor, you can remove the cover of the wire. Next, what we have to do is it will be scattered, so you have to twist them so it will be a one. Taking both the brushes outside. Now what we will try to do is we will insert the wire in the slits. So insert the wire, push a little bit inside with a screwdriver so that they will be at the bottom of the hub. It will be a little bit tricky. Do again the same with the second one. So it is too small. It is very hard to insert in the hub. Once you get the wires in the hub, just take the brushes and insert them. As you can see, the hub is in V shape so that both the brushes comes near to each other. It is very tiny. You can see it just fell off many times. So once you have both the brushes installed, you can close that. Keep the openings of the wire at the bottom so that it won't get pulled out or it won't short the motor. Just insert the motor and close the clamps. And just insert the motor in the DO motor hub, and you're good to go. We will test it with a battery we'll just put a wheel to it so that you can see it is repaired. So I'm using a lithium ion battery which is 18650, and it has a 3.7 volt voltage. So as you can see, the motor is working perfectly, and you can continue your toys and projects with the help of this tutorial. So let us check the method 2, in which you don't have brushes. In the same way, we will just open them, separate the motor with the VO motor hub, and take out the motor. Now you can see we have to open the clamps again and take out the bottom part. So now you can see that there are no brushes inside. So take out the bottom part. Now this will be a bit tricky. So what you have to do is take a wire and you have to peel it little bit bigger so that it will match the size of the brushes. So take out again. First thing what you have to do is twist the wire so that wire strands won't fall off or won't get cut. So we will do with the second one. We will measure the same height so that it won't be long and short. Just a little slip will be easy to cut off the upper part. Again we will twist the wires. The twisting of wire will help to be in a same place. Now what we have to do is we have to insert the wire in the slits of the brushes so that it will act as a brush. So it is a bit tricky part. Take your time. Once you get inserted in one side, do the same with the second side. So it is a bit hard to hold the brush up. So as you can see, it has fallen off. This is a part of patience. So be with it. Once you insert, just try to push the wires with screwdriver so that they will be at the bottom of the hub. So push the second wire also at the bottom of the hub so that it will be same as brush. So now what we will do is we will cut it to the same length so that it won't short the motors. We will cut into same height, and the most important thing is you have to see both wires are near to each others and make a cut of it. And try to twist it again if you have strands coming out, so that it won't heat up or short the motors. So our hub is ready and it will be used as same as brush. So this would be again a problem. we will try to do it again, and this time we will insert it deeply inside the hub so that it won't come off easily. So once you insert, just push from bottom so that it will be located at the end of it. And now just see the way it is. It shouldn't touch each other's, and in between you have to insert the center of the motor. Once you close it, just check the wires and close the clamps. So in this way our motor is ready to work again. So let us check it again. Insert in the PO motor hub and clamp it with the strap, and let's take a lithium ion battery which is 3.7 volts again, and we will test it. So it works. So this is how you can repair your motors, whether it is normal motor, toy motor or PO motor. So this type of motors can be repaired in this way. So hope you like it. If you have any questions, just comment below. We will try to solve.